tourism is to travel the world, to discover the world, meet other persons, meet other people, meet friends. I really like it, and that's the reason why I put the step in the tourism industry.
When you want to go to hospitality, I think it's very important that you are open-minded, that you are interested in new cultures and new people.
The hospitality industry offers you so many opportunities. It's a great industry to go to, and it prepares you for so many other things. It's really worth taking that program because you learn about general management, you learn about intercultural experiences, languages.
SRH is a really good step to the career because I learned before at the SRH the theoretic and I practiced that in the hotel. I do my internship here at the Steigenberger Hotel de Sachs, and it's opened a new world for me.
It's really important to have students from the industry here with us. They get the opportunity to experience the hospitality life in really the opportunity to see the practice and the theory, and also so it's give them the opportunity to connect with others. They learn what we are doing, what we maybe have achieved already, and we can share experience. I had the opportunity to explore different hotels apart the world, one of them even in the Middle East, in Doha and Dubai.
I like about SRH that there's a special teaching concept that is called core, and I like core at most because you have 5 weeks, one topic, and you can focus on that topic.
When the guests or the customers are very happy and checked out with everything was perfect, I really love that because I know I do or make a good job. The management study programs have so many facets and so many possibilities to get a big career. And you can choose the whole world. You can work in the hospitality, you can work in the event industry, you can work in the tourism management, you can work in the management, the marketing, you can work every kind of some topics, and the possibilities are big.
The hospitality is actually a great market to walk in.
So if you love to travel the world, if you love languages, if you're curious about different cultures, come and study with us and get to know this interesting industry.